Dun 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 dun. The Hillbilly Network presentation, Mesa Earthship, starring Bob and Bell. Dun 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 dun. Yes, sirree, folks. This is the Earthship project, and we are at the project today, and we are just about ready to do some road construction with our little boater there. We're going to continue digging this up and making the French drain alongside the hill. It's nice meeting you today. Wonderful. We're going to be doing these videos on the Earthship project for the next 2 years while we're doing this. We're going to be having a wonderful time, and we'd be glad to have you come visit up on the Little Redonda Mesa in Arizona. Have a wonderful day, and we will be coming back online when we're over at the Geodesic Dome. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.